Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off vibration on your Nintendo Switch 2. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you no longer want to have vibration every time you play a video game on your Nintendo Switch 2. How do you actually go ahead and adjust this setting? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into System Settings here. Next, you want to navigate down to where it says Controllers and Accessories. Now over here, you're going to see this toggle button next to where it says Controller Vibration. If you toggle this off, that is going to turn off vibration for your controller. If you toggle it on, that is going to turn on vibration for your controller. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off vibration for your Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.